Warning: chemistry can be extremely dangerous. It involves the use of highly corrosive chemicals, strong oxidizers, and noxious gases. Please do not attempt to recreate without the proper background, knowledge of all chemicals involved, and safety precautions. Piranha Solution, also known as peroxymonosulfuric acid, is an extremely strong oxidizer commonly used as a cleaning agent to get organic residue off of glassware. It'll violently react with any carbon based compound, completely destroying it and turning it into CO2 gas. To make this sample, I poured 10 milliliters of 35% hydrogen peroxide into a beaker containing 30 milliliters of 98% concentrated sulfuric acid. Strong stirring is extremely important. Piranha solution can be made in any volume. It just needs to be prepared in a 3-to-1 ratio of sulfuric acid to hydrogen peroxide at those concentrations. The addition of hydrogen peroxide to sulfuric acid must be done slowly as it is extremely exothermic. Both of these liquids were cooled in a fridge beforehand but instantly shot up to nearly 80 degrees Celsius. Since it reacts with anything carbon based, any type of paper is one of the best ways to get a good demonstration. The reaction is extremely violent and really loud. I was gonna do chips, and then I inhaled a lot of that. About this time, I figured I should start throwing food in it, so I settled on a potato chip. This reaction took a moment to start, which is likely because the solution was already weakened slightly by the addition of the paper towel earlier. Once the reaction got going, though, the chip was easily dissolved in the solution, creating the exact same carbon dioxide and water vapors that I probably should have stopped inhaling a long time ago, which is why it was only at this point in filming that I actually turned on the fan. Lastly, I decided to throw a small piece of bologna in there because why not? Who's gonna stop me at this point? Sadly, though, I didn't get the reaction I was wanting from it. The solution had likely reacted too much with the paper towel in the chip and was already a small amount in the first place. Interestingly enough, though, the solution did turn into this weird, thick purple solution that stuck to the sides of the glass. It was still super hot, and even though there was no violent reaction with the bologna, it did seem to have dissolved to some degree. Eventually, I just decided to toss some more paper towel in it to see what would happen, and it kinda just sank real slow. No offense to the Titanic. I grabbed a piece of pH paper to see if I could figure out if this stuff was still acidic, but the paper kind of just got covered in this mystery gloop. At this point, I figured the experiment was pretty much over.